Yine tat yüreğim acıyı. Yenildik mi biz maziye? Aç kapıyı. Darıldık kendimize.
My name is Andrea, and I'm a chief of the tourism organization in Kamnik, and also the manager of this festival, which is now happening this second weekend in Kamnik. And our festival is one of the biggest festivals of national costumes in the whole Slovenia. And this year it's also a tradition. We are organizing the 40th festival in Kamnik.
And we actually now hearing the voice of the song. And what is the content of this international costume festival? Can you also tell much more than deeply? We need something more.
It is, as you already mentioned, it is called the Festival of the National Costumes, but it's not just the costumes, it is everything related with costumes. It is songs, music, dances, and also pictures, photography. So in these 4 days in Kamnik we would like to emphasize the meaning and the importance of the Slovenian national costume, because it was during all the history very important for the people to show with their costumes to which nation they are, so that they are Slovenes. So that is what is the importance of the festival.
So as I understood, you include everything into this international costume festival. It's really nice. And what will be the next program of this festival? Today and tomorrow, as we know.
Today in the afternoon, we will now be in half an hour. We'll be hosting groups from Kamnik, the singing groups, and 2 dancing groups. And then in the evening, we host one group from Slovenia and one from Macedonia, and they will present dances and songs from their countries. And tomorrow on Sunday, we are hosting 4 different groups from Portugal, Italy, Serbia, and Macedonia. And then in the afternoon we will have a parade of people wearing traditional national costumes, and we will have more than 2,000 people participating in this parade.
So it's really obvious to see. It's really so international festival. It's really so.
Yeah, it is. I can say known in Slovenia and also in Europe. As you can see, a lot of groups from all over Europe are coming to our festival.
Thanks for your attention.
You're welcome.
Gün geçer yanarım, ah gecelerin hesabını kimlere sorarım, yanarım, yanarım, gün geçer yanarım.
Mr. Branko, what do you think about this international festival?
This is interesting for tourists and also for local people. So this is traditional every year. So it's very good to meet people which are living here and who comes to visit this nice old town.
Kendimize ucu yanmış.
Now we are with Mr. Dayan. Mr. Dayan, what do you think about this international festival? As I heard, you have just arrived, but I think you will tell something about this festival.
Yeah, I just arrived here in Kamnik. We just arrived in Slovenia actually 2 years ago, and this is the first time that we are in this festival. It looks extremely incredible and interesting, and I'm looking forward to continue and see the rest of the exhibition.
Gecelerin hesabını.
Now we are with Mr. Anton. Mr. Anton, what do you think about this festival? Can you tell your impressions to us?
I think it's very good for Kamnik because it's tradition narodne nošenje. And many people comes see narodne nošenje.
Yine tat yüreğim acıyı. Yenildik mi biz maziye? Aç kapıyı.
We are with Mr. Damian. Mr. Damian, what do you think about this festival?
I think that this festival is very good for maintaining the national culture and clothing and everything else. It's very good to have this festival for so many years.
What do you think about this festival? Can you tell your feelings to us?
I think it's interesting because all people from Kamnik are here and they get to know each other and see how the festival is going on and this thing.